Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Smartsheet for dashboards and reporting step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Smartsheet website. On the home page, locate the Get Started or Try Smartsheet for Free button. Click the button to initiate the sign-up process. Fill out the required fields in the registration form, including your name, email address, and password. Read and accept the terms of service. After completing the form, click on the Continue or Sign Up button. Check your email for a verification message from Smartsheet. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Smartsheet website. You will be prompted to log in using your email and password. After logging in, navigate to the Dashboard section. To access the reporting features, locate the Reports tab in the Dashboard menu. Explore the available templates or start from scratch to create your own report. If you want to upgrade for more features, click on the subscription option available in your account settings. Select the plan that suits your needs, then proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment details and confirm your subscription. After the payment is processed, your account will be upgraded. You can now fully utilize dashboards and reporting features within Smartsheet. Begin creating and customizing your reports to suit your projects. Make sure to explore additional resources and tutorials for further guidance. Congratulations, you are now ready to optimize your project management with Smartsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.